You will be divided into groups right now. Join your room, guys. If someone is having a problem, you can tell me.
Third, I think pleasurable would be right. No, I don't think irresistible because they used lasagna we ordered was simply irresistible. I don't think they would use the irresistible another time second time in the text. I don't know. I think pleasurable would be nice or like fitting.
Okay, so right now, let's discuss everything with each other right now. So this is the introduction. All right, so who can tell us? What do you think, Osama Muhammad?
I think
All right.
Alessandro is an irresistible restaurant
Oh,
located
could
in the
be.
south of
Okay.
the city. My mother and I recently dined.
Okay. So you think it should be irresistible. Okay. We can do it something else. Who can think of a different idea? Muhammad Abid, can you think of a different idea? Or did you think with your friends in the group, did you think of a different idea?
For the first one, we did exquisite.
Oh, yeah, I love it. Excellent. Amazing. What does exquisite mean, Muhammad Abid? What does it mean?
It's like fancy. It's like another
Fantastic.
like above.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Yep.
I don't know how to explain.
Exactly. You said already. Wonderful. Amazing. Okay. What do you think of the second gap? Lara Hani. Lara Hani. My mother and I recently dined there, not only due to its name, due to its
It's fancy.
fancy name. Excellent. But also
Devour.
to devour. What does devour mean, by the way, guys?
Devour.
What does it
Eat.
mean? To
Eat very quickly.
Devour.
hungrily, to eat large amounts quickly, hungrily, to devour the renown. What does renown mean?
Famous, world famous.
Oh, excellent. Yes, copy everyone quickly. Are you copying everyone? Famous, exactly. There is a spelling mistake in line number 1. Who will be the first one to spot it?
Restaurant.
Oh, excellent. How can you correct it?
RESTAURA.
Exactly. Yes, there should be A after T. Restaurant, you see? Thank you so much. Let's move on to body 1. Yalla ya Osama Walid.
Deeply inviting.
Deeply. I love the adverb. By the way, wait a second, Osama. If you can put it in a simpler way, so you replace deeply with very inviting. Simply, you can say very inviting. But to take it to another level, you can say deeply inviting. Yeah? Who can think of another synonym for deeply in that context? Who can think? Yalla, say it out loud quickly.
Amazingly inviting.
Amazingly
impressively
inviting. ايه الجمال ده. I love it. يلا يا ريما الصابر.
But while I chose a cheese salad for my starter, my mother tried a mouth-watering risotto.
Excellent. What does mouth-watering mean, by the way?
I mean, like so tasty.
Oh, yeah, delicious, tasty. Thank you so much, Rima Sabit. The best. Excellent. Let's move on and let's listen to, let me ask, Tulin. Tulin, quickly.
Rich food. Rich.
Rich, amazing, proud of you. Yalla, Jumana. Next day, Jumana. Just burst my taste buds with
Delight.
delight. What
Yeah.
does burst my taste buds with delight?
This means that it's us with happiness.
Yeah, it made me happy, made me excited. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Amazing. Now you can see the level of the descriptive vocab, adverbs, adjectives, expressions like burst my taste buds with delight. And this is what we expect from each and everyone. This is how we can keep developing the ideas. This is how we can focus on describing different stuff.
All right.
So
All right.
all these samples will be shared with you